Hello everyone, I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and today we're showing you the final video of this bathroom that we just completed here for our longtime client. As I mentioned in my previous video, we did their kitchen renovation and they wanted us to come back and do the bathroom now. And I'm extremely happy with the final results here, so we can take a look at what we did. So we didn't change the footprint at all of the bathroom. It's a relatively small bathroom, but it does feel a lot bigger now because we did do a zero entry shower, which helps a lot with making it feel bigger. These particular tiles came from the tile shop, and the clients really liked this kind of movement and texture to this subway tile, which we laid in a herringbone pattern, both on the walls and on the ceiling. And this came from Floor & Decor. And then the reasoning behind why we also put the tile on the ceiling there is because they put a rain head, which they did not have before. So that gives them something a little bit extra. We have a really nice linear drain. And the vanity here is a vanity that they previously had, they wanted to keep because it's really nice and it goes with the color schemes, especially with this really nice wallpaper that we installed. And we have really, really nice champagne bronze accents with the shower door and all the fixtures. And these are Delta, which is a really great brand, and it's a really nice fixtures. That adds really something really nice, and it matches their mirrors and lighting. So this is the final product of this bathroom. Stay tuned for more projects.